Welcome to this guide on installing the AMK air suspension compressor for the Mercedes-Benz R-Class W251 with four-corner leveling. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then lift the vehicle and remove the front right wheel. Now remove the fasteners and the front wheel well liner from the vehicle to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor. Next, locate and disconnect the two electrical connectors from the compressor. Now locate and slowly remove the air line from the compressor. Also remove the air line fitting from the air hose and discard. Locate the larger rubber hose leading to the compressor and pinch and slide the hose clamp off of the air fitting. Now remove the air hose. Next, locate and remove the three mounting nuts to remove the compressor from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the air line until fully seated. Install the new AMK compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from a continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.